Welcome to the personal property tour for number 9 Hill Street in Cupar. This is a fabulous 2-bedroom upper apartment. Great opportunity to add value, so much space on offer here. Lovely communal garden area as well, I'll show you that in 1 second. So you've got great green area, you've got patio area as well. But actually you've got a bonus here as well in the fact that you've got this balcony that I'm standing on. I'm just going to flip the camera and let you. So that's your view. So really nice and green, lots of garden space. So you've got access to that, but you've got this lovely balcony here as well. As you can see, lovely sitting there in the morning with your coffee, or in the evening with your dinner. Nice cold drink. We'll go into the property. So we access straight into the vestibule. So again, lots of space when you come in here. So room for coats, shoes and boots, etc. We'll go straight ahead into the hallway. And again, you'll see the spacious hallway. So it's lovely, bright and airy. Bonus with this as well, talk about original features. So you've got this lovely skylight, you've got your attic hatch as well, so you've got your access there too. But you've got all this picture rail running around. It's really lovely. So it's got 2 double bedrooms, this property. I'm going to take you into the first of the doubles. So great space on offer here. So you can see straight away you've got plenty of storage space, nice sized double room. Really high ceilings actually in here. Lovely big window. Again, overlooks the rear garden. So you've got access to your communal areas down there. But as I say, really nice big double room. So lots of space on offer with this. And then I'm going to take you into the second of the doubles. So again, when we come in, immediately you'll see great space again, these lovely high ceilings. Nice big window letting all the natural light come in. Plenty of storage space as well. Overlooks the front of the property. But great space in here as well. Then we'll go back out into the hallway. Straight across the hallway is actually your lounge diner. Again, this is a great space. So immediately you'll see that the furnishings in here are quite big. You've got this beautiful picture rail and cornicing as well. 4-seater table there, and that's quite a large table, so plenty of space for a dining area. You've got storage in the cupboards over here as well. Lovely big double window. Really spacious. Again, it overlooks the front. Nice and peaceful. It's a great space. As you can see. So lots on offer here. Go back out into the hallway. And then off of the hallway is your shower room. So straight ahead into the shower room. You'll see you've got your enclosed shower cubicle with your thermostatic controls. You've got your vanity wash hand basin. You've got really good storage in this section as well. Lovely big window, nice and bright. You've got curvature to the walls as well, which is quite quirky. It's really nice and different. And then we'll go back down the hallway. So bottom of the hallway, we're going to go into the kitchen. The kitchen is a great size. Immediately you'll see that with the storage that's on offer here. So plenty of room for your white goods. You've got floor to ceiling cupboards as well. You can see from that just how high these ceilings are. Got a lovely big display cabinet. Lots of storage around this side as well. As I say, plenty of room for your white goods, but actually this space you could easily put in there an American fridge freezer. You've got great views as well from the window, so overlooking the garden. Lovely apple tree there actually, so really picturesque. Floor to ceiling again, cabinetry, but you've actually got the benefit of this walk-in larder. So there's a window in there as well, so it's nice and bright, letting in lots of natural light. You could easily put a door on there again, change it into a utility space, maybe a little working area. Maybe open it up a little bit, put some dining furnishing in there. But it's really a great space. It's a nice sized kitchen. And the bonus with this one actually is when you come back out into the hallway, and we'll go back out into the front vestibule, you actually have a separate WC and wash basin in here as well. So this is a great additional part of the space. So lots on offer here. Then we go back into the hallway. So as I say, this is a personal property tour for number 9 Hill Street in Cupar. It's a 2-bedroom upper apartment. You've got lounge dining space, you've got a separate WC, you've got a really nice sized kitchen with a walk-in larder. Bonus with this one as well is it actually has a garage. So just around the corner there's a single garage as well, so lots of storage or off-street parking space depending on how you want to utilise it. You've got the communal garden areas, you've got your own private balcony there too to enjoy. Such a great location. Literally across the road is St Columba's Primary School. Around the corner you've got Duffus Park. Around the other corner, you're literally into the Bonnygate. So you're straight into the high street at Cupar. You've got the train station, which is taking you obviously to Dundee and beyond, and also to Edinburgh and beyond. So great access routes. You've got Bellbaxter High School as well, so much on your doorstep. This is a real opportunity to add value to this property as well. It's a beautiful upper apartment in a really good location as well. If this is of interest, you can reach out to myself directly or call the team on 01334 654 221. And this one's on the market with ourselves at the moment. It offers over £125,000. And it's Perry 85 Properties to be. Take care. Bye-bye.